drastically change under these events. Now, this may not sound very normal, but the normally in most situations, small country and quiet country slash region, country here is known as Sweden is faced with a different history than most people know it is. Now, what happens? Now you may ask, what is this? Well, this is what happens if there was a communist Sweden, or at least a communist dictatorship version. Now, under these certain thoughts, you may ask, why would this change much? Well, communist countries, as we know it, would change. And that means that most of the rest of the world would need to deal with those problems. Now, although what I was saying was that communism as we know it would spread a lot faster to places like Norway. Now, as we know it, communist countries would change a lot, but this isn't as much as you think it would, because communist countries would change a lot still, but it wouldn't change as much as some of you would think. Now communism what I mean by communism is just pure dictatorship, not a other version of it. It just what we have seen in our timeline with how communism happened. Okay, let's unpause and let's see. Now the blue country is supposed to be the thing or whatever, but yeah. Actually, how we did, I don't exactly think it's gonna work. We need to have two sides to this, just two simple sides. Of the ward. Okay. Okay, red. That's gonna be red. And then blue will be that country, which is gonna be blue. Something like that. And then yeah, so can we name them? It doesn't really matter. There's west. There's west of the ward, and there's west, which is capitalist, and communist. And communist north. So, understand? South is capitalist, and north is communist. So this is the idea. Okay, unpause. The advancements are going pretty fast. Of course, South kind of starts in USA, because that's kind of how it kind of was. And we're always seeing insane developments by by this communist country, by the commies, expanding all the way to Russia, and yeah, wars are definitely gonna have to start. Okay, war has started. Now let's see. Okay, both countries are taking Greenland. Or maybe just both sides of the cardboard have taken Greenland. The colonies are taking most of the world, while the capitalists are attempting to take over most of the Americas, North and South. That may be a bold strategy, but let's see what's gonna happen. They expand into South America, and this is actually a strikingly different universe. Now, if we can, we could have different things happen, like, yeah, we could have that place de-exist and have communists win, or we could have this place also de-exist, which would be pretty cool, but, and in order to see a communist Sweden would be pretty weird, but let's explain what would actually kind of happen in a way. Now, we're going on Roblox just to go into this game to have a bit of flag creation. Now, this is what the flag would look of a communist Sweden, potentially. This is my idea. See? It has a Swedish and American, and then the crosses, and then a communist symbol, the Communist Republic of Sweden. And then red on the side to make it clear that this is communist. And then let's add maybe communist and maybe blue to identify this, and then Sweden worldwide would have a dictator, and yeah. Now this is a basic Oakland history thing. This isn't like attempting to be like C's, but maybe we could make a part 2 and make it more C's. But bye.